Steve here. I am back in the States. Melissa is due to give birth to baby Nadia any day now. And right now I'm taking little man out about in Houston. So this vlog series will be a little bit different than what we usually do. We're going to do just kind of some things to do around Houston. We'll document when baby Nadia gets here, which we're super excited about. It will be any day now. And then just some of the fun things that we're going to do around my hometown and that you can do with little kids. We'll document that as we go. Today we're going to, oh gosh, what's it called? I'll remember when we get there, but it's one of those trampoline places. I'll put a video of it when we get there, but we're really excited. Little man's really excited, aren't you, mister? Yeah? Yeah, he's thrilled, can't you tell? He'll be thrilled when we get there. Yeah, good job. Way to dance. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Alright, so that place was a lot of fun. Little man liked it, didn't you, man? That's fun. Yeah, he's tired. He's